Hello, everyone. This is On Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my Wednesday evening analysis. Before you have natural gas, looking at the daily time frame. You can see here that we have this uptrend line here that we have broken below. So I have such turned it from green to red, and you can see that I had previously mentioned this downtrend line here, and we have broken below. We have failed to break above, and now we're kind of just looking at heading down to these levels I've previously identified. Really, I mean, there's not much for me to update in this video besides the fact that we are still heading down. Have we had that big breakdown yet? We're just kind of slowly drifting down. And what I mean by slowly drifting down, I mean, if you've been watching my videos over the past few weeks, I've been pointing this out over the past few videos now that, here we have an apparent head and shoulders pattern forming. So that would mean that our key is going to basically line here around 2.82. Other than that, there's really not much for me to say besides your biases to the downside. If you're going to be trading on the intraday, be very careful. Use your stops. You obviously know what you're doing if you're going to be trading these tight ranges. But you know, overall picture is we're going to be forming the rest of this shoulder here. We're going to be heading down about 2.82. You can see it on the daily time frame, see it on the 4-hour time frame, and I will drop down to both. So here's the daily time frame again. Will we kind of pop up and maybe test this trend line? Yeah, it's possible, but is it something I'm worried about? Nah, not really. So we do have this cross coming through here, so that's going to be something to take note of. And we have the double cross down here. So again, price will definitely come down to this level, and this is going to be the make or break point for natural gas. If this does in fact break, then we are looking at natural gas falling down definitely into the twos, heavily into the twos. Just to bring you back into perspective, weekly time frame right in front of you, you'll see that this right shoulder, if this does break, I mean, you don't really have much below 2.68. Then you have 2.5 or so. I mean, it's going to be a nice plummet. So if you're looking to play the DJAZ ETF triple leverage short natural gas, that's probably going to be the best bet. You guys, I wouldn't necessarily play that card unless you're watching this trend line. If you do play this card, make sure that you use your stop loss just in case something does happen adversely to your trading plan. Be careful out there. This is what I'm calling for. I still see natural gas drifting lower into the end of the week. This is On Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful evening.